Transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Exness. New method. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Exness in 2025. So first of all, you have to verify your Exness account. Most brokers, including Exness, require account verification for deposits and withdrawals. This typically involves submitting documents like a copy of your ID or proof of your address, and after that you have to navigate to the deposit section in your Exness personal area, and after that you have to select USDT and the appropriate network like TRC20. Within the cryptocurrency deposit options, you have to select USDT and then choose the network you want to use. TRC20 Tron network is often recommended for its speed and lower fees. And some platforms like Exness may have different network options for USDT. Then you have to copy the Exness deposit address, and Exness will generate a unique USDT deposit address for you, especially for the chosen network. And you can copy this address carefully and then send USDT from Trust Wallet. You have to open your Trust Wallet app and then select USDT, and you have to choose the send options and paste the Exness deposit address to your copy earlier and enter the amount of USDT you want to send and double check all details including the network address and amount. And after that you have to confirm the transaction, and after that you have to wait for the confirmation. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain. The time it takes for the transaction to complete can vary depending on network traffic and the chosen network. And once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain and the funds are credited to your Exness account, you will receive a confirmation from Exness, often via email. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.